So as you can see, my as you can see, my I don't have dust on it. Like lots of uh, so, hello everyone. So today I'm going to do an essential. I'll show you an essential thing for your daily life. So as you guys always, every one of us owns an iron rod. So we use it, and then there is dust and garbage build up, right? So and then it becomes very like ugly. So you need to clean it up, but you don't know how to clean it up. My wife tried to clean it up, as you can see. She uses a knife, and it becomes very bad. Okay, so I will try to fix it my way. So here you can see I have paste, and then I have some baking soda. My wife uses it for like baking, and I have some apple cider vinegar, and I have this one. So what I will do, I will use the paste of this one to fix it up. And you also need to put the I need a spoon. So okay, so I put that much baking soda, and then I put the apple cider vinegar. Okay, so probably the paste is ready. Give it a time. Okay, and then put the here to medium. The thing is coloring. Yes, I put it in wood. I put it to medium temperature. Okay, and very hot. Super hot. I cannot get better now. I have to put it in milk. Wait for a bit. In the meantime, I mix this. Very simple. I think I put too much of I don't know if it works or not. Certainly I will try to clean it up. I hope it will work. Oh, super. I think it is cleaning up, but it is not cleaning like the way I expected. Not like super clean, but yes, it is cleaning up. So what I will do, I'll use a little bit more of baking soda here. seems like all of those YouTube, whatever it is, okay, the channels that this that solution, blah blah blah. It's not correct. It's not completely cleaning it up. You can see I tried, but unfortunately it's still there. You can see it's still there, and it's really bad. Probably what I can do. Okay, so it doesn't work. Take care, guys. Bye bye. As you can see, most of them are just scam when cleaning up the buildup of an iron. So, if you guys have any other mechanism or method that I can clean my iron, please post a comment on the video. I will link up.